Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 BMW M4 Steampunk, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. Standing as a mechanical masterpiece that bridges the gap between industrial grit and elite German engineering, this concept-driven titan commands an estimated global price of $185,000, reflecting its status as a bespoke icon for the modern collector. The exterior is a breathtaking display of premium design, featuring a body clad in hand-riveted brushed steel and deep charcoal accents that mimic the aesthetic of a Victorian-era powerhouse reimagined for the future. Its aerodynamic styling is aggressively refined, with flared wheel arches and integrated metal fins that cut through the air while maintaining the silhouette of a classic Predator. As you step inside, the interior luxury is unparalleled, blending vintage mahogany trim with cold-pressed aluminum and rich, aged leather that smells of heritage and ambition. The seating comfort is engineered for the elite, offering multi-point massage functions and memory foam contours that make even the longest journeys feel effortless. Across the dashboard layout, you find a seamless integration of analog-style brass gauges and state-of-the-art digital displays, providing a tactile experience that honors the steampunk philosophy while embracing modern utility. The infotainment system is a marvel of connectivity, utilizing a holographic interface that responds to gesture and voice commands across a crystal-clear curved display. Beneath the sculpted hood lies a high-performance twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, producing an estimated 650 horsepower that translates into a visceral speed and acceleration feel, launching you from 0 to 60 in a staggering 3.2 seconds. This raw power is balanced by supreme driving comfort, thanks to an adaptive suspension system that reads the road and adjusts in milliseconds. Safety features are integrated invisibly into the design, utilizing a sophisticated driver assistance suite that includes 360-degree LiDAR, autonomous emergency braking, and lane-keeping precision that feels like a natural extension of the driver. Despite its monstrous performance, the 2027 M4 Steampunk utilizes advanced mild hybrid technology to achieve a respectable fuel efficiency of 24 miles per gallon, ensuring that your footprint is as refined as your taste. The overall driving experience is nothing short of cinematic, whether you are tearing through the neon-lit highways of Tokyo, navigating the tight historic city streets of London, or embarking on an epic long-distance travel route across the sun-drenched American West. On the open road, the car feels grounded yet ethereal, with a steering weight that inspires absolute confidence at high speeds. In urban environments, its presence is magnetic, drawing every eye to its intricate metalwork and glowing amber accents that pulsate like the heart of a living machine. This is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of defiance against the mundane, a rolling work of art that proves power and beauty can exist in a state of perfect, chaotic harmony. Every gear shift is a symphony of mechanical precision, and every corner turned is a testament to BMW's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what a luxury sports car can be in the late 2020s. From the rhythmic hum of its exhaust to the velvet-like glide over cobblestone paths, the M4 Steampunk offers a sensory overload that satisfies the soul of every true automotive enthusiast across the globe. It is a machine born of fire and steel, destined to dominate the roads of tomorrow while paying homage to the visionary spirit of the past, leaving a trail of awe in its wake.